Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'll show you how to create a custom Jali wall in Revit, step by step. This technique is great if you want to add decorative or patterned wall panels to your Revit project. All right, let's get started. First, let's create a new family. Go to File, New, Family, and choose Metric Curtain Wall Panel. Now go to the exterior view and set up your reference planes. We'll make a 500 by 500 millimeter grid. That will be the size of one Jali panel. Then, add another horizontal reference plane in the middle and make sure it's equally spaced between the two main reference planes. This helps keep everything centered and symmetric. Next, create a new extrusion. Draw a rectangle aligned with your reference planes. Set the offset to 10 millimeters and then draw another smaller rectangle inside, also aligned to the reference planes. Now, set the extrusion end to 100 and the extrusion start to -100. This will give your frame a nice solid thickness. Create another extrusion again. This will be our pattern depth. Draw another rectangle, but this time set the offset to 30 millimeters. Then, adjust the extrusion end to 75 and start to -75. Now switch to 3D view and you'll see the base structure forming nicely. Now let's draw the Jali pattern. Go back to the exterior view and start sketching the pattern design. You can follow along with my example here, or create your own custom pattern. It's totally up to you. I'll speed up this part a bit because it takes some time to draw all the details. Once the pattern is finished, check it again in 3D view to make sure the shape and proportions look correct. Next, select all the parts of your Jali model and assign a material. In this example, I'll use a wood finish, specifically the cherry wood material. You can use any texture or finish that matches your project style. Now that our family is ready, click Load into Project. Then, in the project, create a new curtain wall. I'll set the height to 3000 millimeters. Draw the curtain wall and switch to 3D view. Select the wall, then click Edit Type, Duplicate, and rename it something like Jali Wall. Now set the vertical and horizontal grid layout to fixed distance and set the distance to 500 millimeters, since our panel is 500 by 500. Under Curtain Panel, choose the Jali family we just created. Click OK and there you go. Our custom Jali wall is ready. And that's it. We've just created a Jali wall in Revit. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Revit tips and tricks. See you in the next video.